Let's look at the question. Height checker. A school is trying to take an annual photo of all the students. The students are asked to stand in a single file line in non-decreasing order by height. Let this order be represented by integer array. The integer array name is expected. Well, the expected I is the expected height of the ith student in the line. You are given an integer array height representing the current order that students are standing in. Each height is the height of I students in line, 0 indexes. We need to return the number of indexes where the height at I is not equal to expected at I. So in the first example, the indices 2, 4, and 5 do not match, so it returns 3. And in the third example, all indexes do not match, so it returns 5. And in the third example, the 0 indexes do not match, so that means all indexes match. Algorithm just build an order or height. We just return sorted height. Then we can print out the solution. Let's see. This is sorted height, and we just sorted the correct order of height, and we can turn this into a with another together. We can print this together and use to zip them together. Oh, this is return address. Oh, we need to list. Yeah, so we bring them each element together, and we can to check the we can check every element inside it by h1 is not equal h2 for h1 and h2 in the here. So this time we can print out the whether they are not the same, they will print true. If they're the same, they will print false. So we can print out the 3 example. Yeah, if they are all of the same, they are false. If they are all of the different, they will be true. Then we just use a sum to count how many inside it. 3, 5, 0. Yes, this is the easy way of solution.